Well, feeling completely overwhelmed. We've had the warmest of welcomes. The hospitality has been fantastic. Nothing has been too much trouble. At the ground, the support that we've received in the stadium, people have made banners and signs. I think it's been a very vocal crowd, obviously supporting Pakistan, but also our players, whether when they've taken wickets, when they've come out to bat, have received a great round of applause, which we don't get normally when we go and we play overseas.
Australian players have been very welcomed. They've enjoyed their time here in Pakistan. They're very proud to be here, the first Australian team for 24 years to be here in Pakistan. So they're very honoured and humbled to be here in your country.
I think our players are very grateful for this opportunity because former players have not had the same opportunity, and ultimately they want to. Test cricket is the pinnacle. Test cricket away from home is the ultimate test.
Well, cricket is already extremely popular and one of the closest ties between our two countries. It'd be good to see some other sports as well. I understand hockey is also a sport that's played very well by both countries, so it'd be good to see more sports, but cricket is one of the biggest, and it's wonderful to see the Australian cricket team here after 24 years and the tour going so successfully so far.
On behalf of Cricket Australia, I'd just really like to say thank you to the residents of each of the towns in which we're playing.